With all the S25 Ultra enhancements, Samsung is nuts. We will explore the major display improvements, the way future Galaxy flagships might become battery kings despite having smaller battery capacity, and the reality regarding the Samsung Galaxy Note's comeback in this video. Fans of the S24 Extreme adored its boxy form, but it has a major weakness. The S24 Ultra's thinner screen bezel than the iPhone 15 Pro Max would have you wondering. When you consider the whole bezel size, including the body, the iPhone 15 Pro Max does, however, really surpass the S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra is 79mm wide, yet its screen just spans 72.3mm range. New design of the S25 Ultra solves this completely. With 31% lower bezels in the new design, the display real estate will be bigger and will match the iPhone 16 Pro Max display size with an even thinner width. Especially compared to the S24 Ultra 2, the screen bezels are rather reduced. Moving forward, the S25 Ultra does not have any battery or charging enhancements. Nevertheless, the future flagships from Samsung could run twice as long as the present S24 Ultra. This is related to the display itself, not battery artificial intelligence, as was reported a time ago. Samsung's displays are consistently leading edge technologically. Samsung's display vice president claims they are working on an OLED panel without a polarizer, which will consume about 30% less energy than the S24 Ultra. Given most of the battery and moderate use consumed by screens, this new technology will undoubtedly be a wonder in next flagship devices. Although several sources from different newspapers have reported on the Note series revival, these are based on leaks with dubious authenticity. In fact, the most recent leak turned out to be entirely fake, and the leaker altered his statement right after. Actually, the S25 Ultra and the S25 Plus will exist even though the Galaxy Note 25 or the S25 Pro will not be present. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.